So, guys, give me 2 minutes. Setting my camera, so I'll be live within a couple of minutes. Okay. So, okay. So I'm back, guys. Last previous day we didn't go any lives. So if you may follow my channel continuously. So what about today? So as like basic, I want to introduce myself for the new peoples if they're gonna watch it later. Sorry if I was stuck. I want to confirm before I am talking because some last 2 to 3 videos was what happened. I literally talking for 10 to 15 minutes, but there is where I found that I was turned off my audio. Okay, so that's why I had to make sure that my audio and video and also my live was active. I don't know why sometimes it's happening. Like it might be software problem or something. Okay, cool. So if you are aware, yeah, it's audible. So uh, so what I planned before that for the new subscribers, new viewers, I'm Saradi. I was likely teaching and also posting my progress to reach the mission that we are on. What is the mission? The mission for the freedom, okay? Financially freedom. So if we financially freedom, it's almost a freedom. So that's the mission we were posting here. And what I'd like to do here was improving the, like, if so many beginners like traders or investors, those who not started because they don't have any mentors for free, or even they learn from YouTube, they don't have any live peoples who gonna ask any doubts or clarify from them. So I will be solving this problem. If you watch this earlier or later, just subscribe. This is gonna help you to the to your future, and also to get more, like, to can you can increase your uh, incomes or side hustle. If you want to add another income, you can swing trade or invest. If you want to be day trader, so welcome. Okay. Yeah. So yesterday was the I was working on exact, like, back testing. I posted in YouTube post, right? And what I want to say, this video exactly. So hereafter, we won't be like, I won't be posting every day continuously, because what I thought was, until we get into some uh, we reach some levels, based on my perspective. So I will be posting 2 to 3 learning videos about psychologies and stuff, for to learn in tradings. But mostly you will be getting twice. Sorry. Uh, yeah, couple of video per week about analysis of the week or daily analysis, and the results. So yeah, there will be not every day consistently live. If I was on certain work, I'll be post that also into the YouTube post. So also I was planning for, as I told in previous video, to post some Instagram videos to get some audiences and attract other users or other new peoples too, right? That's the best way, rather than posting everyday live. So yeah, I got some other works to do. So, and here today, live market analysis and trade plans, also what we did yesterday. Yeah. Yeah, fine. So that was about content group. Okay. So yesterday, if you can see, we started with gold. What happened? Oh, it's just image. Okay. So we started with the gold, and here you can see it hit SL about 20 to 25 pips, I guess. And later in the evening, I was posted one analysis, which is two zones were here. Uh, it's considered as the first one was, like, both were a demand zone, but first one was we expected for, like, scalping, and it was perfectly done. It gives almost 200 plus pips, right? So even if you were even if we were failed on first signal, I'll give you second signal or a second analysis to you, so that you could manage that, right? Yeah. So that was yesterday's result. So anyway, we were compensated. Let's take it as yesterday was zero. So if you traded both, you will be zero. If you only traded first signal, you will be. and here that was uh, which is the trade I put a set limit while I was in sleep. So when I was wake up, actually this is where was the position that I saw. It was a good trade. I will tell you that exact signal that I failed today because of uh, sellers were pushing to sell. So I will tell you, I will let you know about the exact signal. This exact buy character was happened more than 3 times today. Okay, but 2 times I was passed, but 1 time I was failed. Okay, that third time was here. You can see this is the signal we posted, and I think it was in uh, green. So after we posted this exact, you can see here time was 9:13. We posted this signal, and we saw that news where came up exactly within 3 minutes, and it was dropped exactly like here. I will show you in the live market. Okay, so it's actually dropped here within like 5 minutes. What I was thought it's going to be hit the SL and gonna give more than 50 pips SL it, but uh, the character was so strong, the buyers were pushing through, so it went to the profit, and we closed on other accounts of profit, and one was still holding, I guess. Wait a minute. Okay, am I getting called? Okay, I think I'm getting call, but I can't see because my phone is my camera. So you guys, if you were new, might be boring these videos. I'll try to make it entertainment, but it's not my exact niche because trading was boring, financial stuffs were boring, and yeah, in weekends I'll make sure to be entertained. Okay, what I was about to do, yeah, about to show you analysis, right? Okay, here same 30 minute. Okay, so one guy in the comment were asked why you using uh, thinking she that name doesn't come like I don't know feel clearly, but okay, this exact candle because it's clear, and he knows that it gives a clear understanding of the data, but we use this only as usual traditional Japanese candles, and you can see here where our entry, and this is just like I was expecting for the SL to close before. So here was our today's trade that we expect. Okay, okay. So this was our like SL, and yes, about nearby 70 was full DP. Okay, why? Because here you can see. Let's put some fib. I will explain these kind of stuffs only after, as I told in last video, there are certain things that we need to do. So okay, cool. So this was our first TP and second TP, and as usual it goes on. And okay, good. So as I told, once the market was like here after the news, it were dropped, and almost if it pass down here, there will be fair value gap, which you can see here. So it doesn't acted maybe technically, or and also buyers were pushing on based on the order flow which I watched on the tools. So I added some layers and it was good, and I closed it on the uh, bit of profits. Okay, so here you can see it's given up quite retest, and it's still following to the high. We will expect it will reach 50. Okay, so if you were about to start this exact, I'm watching, yeah, if you were about to start exact this signal, you can still possible to get some profit on the buy. It's still there, and use less risk, and yeah. So uh, I won't be explaining or teaching about the exact technical stuffs I'm using, because there are so many confirmations and some kind of ways that I particularly follow. So that makes me happy, and that makes me comfortable to trade even if I'm lost. Yeah, sometimes I've been facing those losses if I'm not done that confirmation, something like that, using indicators and stuff. So as I told, this was the three buy signals that you can see. The morning I were, you can see exact this level was I put the set limit, and exact same this level where I no, this one was exactly here. This one was perfectly went good, because here also the same character analysis were worked, and and also we've been using some zones, you can see here exactly. So I'm not doing exactly one strategy, I'm following particular strategy, and you can see that also based on that strategy, and we also adding some confirmation like SMC and also price actions and stuffs. Okay, so here what I did mistake in the second trade was I was put the SL here because I was expected it doesn't break this. Actually, that was my fault, because I should have put the SL here and some less risk, so I could be get like at least this much level profit, right? And it's still in the buy, because you can see this was expect to be uh, reach the level of this is mess. Okay, anyway, what I also follow some experts who are like I follow as a mentor. Like mentor means they give some good advices that we should learn as a beginner. Don't ever be in a market like I know everything, and I found the market glitch, there is only money flowing. No bro, I did the same thing in my trading career. Was one of the worst thing that you can do. Okay, we expect this to hit this level maybe the future. Okay, So if you want to hold that much, you need so much patience and so much capital too, right? Not that much capital. Even if you have 100 to 200, that is enough for 0.01. So you can make like more than, you can double and triple the money. See, you can see it's given a retested and it's reaching the again it to break the highs. Like if it breaks this resistance, hope it gonna go okay. So yeah, I have to show the trade that was on the live. I closed so many accounts. Like this is the one account, you can see this real only, not demo. So it's been running profit, and I'm only holding one account because I don't take risk. Yeah, I'm still not pro trader, bro. I'm not still expert. That is why I saying continuously. If you were working like trading with me and learning with me, you will be see something better in future, like something potential in future. So if you were watching this, just share it to your friends. Don't I don't want to watch you like every videos, but watch it something that important to you, like everyday signals or analysis or stuffs like that. Okay, so if you want something specific about strategies and stuff, that will be looking on some other videos in future after some subscribers, because uh, rather than focusing on strategies, even in the first beginning there are so many strategies like flooded in YouTube. Okay, but picking the right one makes you money. Okay. So again it's dropping, it's a consolidation. Okay, so what should we do now? uh, so today I was not picked any top specific topic to talk to you guys, because uh, I was like entire day I was sitting on this computer, just I take 10 to 15 minutes nap, but it isn't enough for me. I'm still feel like dizzy. Okay, so we should close this today. Why I'm doing this doesn't mean I'm gonna do full-time trader or without any income or a job. I have to look for that. Before that, I have to be good at trading. Once I get into the job, just like that, I have to make profits, profits, profits. No other like learnings and again. Like learnings was it's another part. You have to learn because the market gives you every time the lesson. Okay, new lessons. But the patience and the perfect strategies and say the psychology and the stuffs, I have to build it before for that particular income, so that once I get in that income, I get the capital and put it in the trade and make it and double it. That was my plan, and follow this so you can make money as me. Like if even if you are not a trader, so many people were feared that they're gonna lose money because it's like a greedy stuff like gambling and so much. Even if you explain so much, they still reply the same. I agree, because they don't want to lose, they want to be in comfortable. I sure agree that. For that, we also be focusing on investing and the long term gain, which is very, very less risk. If you want that, uh, like why I'm focusing on trading, that is what I'm doing, and I'm expecting to reach some levels. So if my users want to know the exact thing on the investings, uh, so just comment below, okay, or put it in chat, whatever that you were expecting from me, so I could make some any day for that exact topic for you, and I will let you know. So if you were expecting for investing signals also, so I will post that too, okay, because it doesn't uh, a big difference. It's just fundamental analysis, and you have to know about the company and you have to buy at the dip. Like it looks longer. There is a Japanese trader, if you may know that guy, he made uh, around more than 100 million buying at the dip. How it works? You have to the market has to drop 20 percentage or 10 percentage, something like crashing or some users. Then you have to buy exact some kind of zone it formed. Then it's boom, it's gonna give you short term or long term best investments. And yeah, so many plans we can look in the future. So yeah, I guess we can leave today. Yeah, it's 25 minutes. So guys, yeah, if you want to know anything else or just put it in chat. See you. Bye. Yeah, forgot to say peace. Okay.